For sherbet itself, it's a mixture between gelato and sorbet. So this one I already explained to you before. Usually you contain dairy product, water, sugar, and fruits inside the gelato. Or sometimes tea flavor. For example, you need to infuse the tea. Then you need to use the tea infused water into your gelato, like Thai milk red tea. So you can do that as well. It's also considered as sherbet, and the balancing is different. Why? Because when you do the balancing for gelato, it's usually dairy, milk, cream, which contribute to your fats content. Then you have skim milk powder for your milk solid non-fat, which is your protein level. You have sugar. If you are reducing the milk and cream, or especially the fats content by water, your total solid reduce. You need to increase back the total solid to maintain the same texture as gelato. So this is the balancing of sherbet. It's usually less creamy. Why? Because if you are maintaining at 8-9% of fats content, protein level at 8-9%, usually it comes with a little bit more creamy. Then when you put the fresh fruit inside, everything tastes creamy with a little bit of fruit flavor inside.